Why business analysis is crucial for success. In today's unpredictable and fast-moving business world, making clear, informed decisions is more important than ever. Whether you're running a small shop or steering a global company, understanding and applying business analysis can be the game changer between just surviving and thriving. Business analysis is the practice of identifying problems, uncovering opportunities, and crafting smart solutions that lead to lasting growth. Think of it as the foundation that supports every wise decision you make, from budgeting and forecasting to planning your next expansion. Why does this matter? Because too many businesses stumble not from lack of effort, but from unclear direction. With structured analysis, you gain clarity, control, and confidence. It helps you spot waste, fine-tune operations, and respond to market shifts before they become problems. And the best part? You don't have to guess. With the right tools, insights, and guidance, you can gain this clarity. Sometimes, it starts with something as simple as a free business analysis. Understanding cash flow and its impact on business stability. Cash flow is the lifeblood of your business. It's not just about making sales. It's about managing the movement of money in and out, day after day, month after month. You can be turning a profit on paper and still find yourself unable to pay your bills if your cash isn't flowing properly. In fact, many profitable businesses have closed their doors because they simply ran out of usable cash. So, how do you keep your cash flow healthy? First, understand it deeply. Know exactly when money is coming in and when it's going out. Track income regularly. Stay on top of your expenses, not just the big ones, but the hidden or recurring costs that can add up over time. Forecast what's ahead. Build in margin for slow seasons, delays, or the unexpected. It's not about being perfect. It's about being prepared and staying in control. When businesses struggle with cash flow, the effects ripple fast. Missed payrolls, delayed vendor payments, a freeze on marketing or hiring, even stalled growth. All of these are signs of a cash flow issue that wasn't caught early enough. But the reverse is also true and powerful. When cash flow is well managed, your business becomes more agile, more secure, and more attractive to both investors and strategic partners. Strong cash flow allows you to act, not react. It creates breathing room, fuels growth, and builds trust. And ultimately, it's a core pillar of long-term stability. Strategic cash flow management techniques for long-term growth. Managing cash flow isn't just an operational task, it's a strategic one. Strong credit controls, digital invoicing, and clear payment policies can speed up cash inflow. Smart forecasting allows you to plan, not panic, when slow seasons hit. You can also reduce pressure by auditing your expenses. Trim what's not serving your goals. Negotiate better terms with suppliers. Invest in tools that automate and simplify your finances. Diversifying income is another powerful strategy. Don't rely on one stream. Explore new services, build recurring revenue, and consider partnerships. Even a modest shift in revenue structure can buffer you against volatility. And always build reserves. A cash cushion gives you breathing room. It protects you from surprises and positions you to seize opportunities when others are retreating. The role of business analysis in cash flow optimization. Business analysis helps you see the story behind the numbers. Are you overspending in low-impact areas? Are there payment patterns holding you back? What departments are underperforming or overachieving? With the right data, you can optimize your budget allocations, spot bottlenecks, and set realistic goals. You'll be equipped to make decisions with intention, not impulse. Tools like dashboards, forecasting software, and key performance indicators let you monitor financial health in real time. This ongoing insight isn't just useful, it's transformative. Businesses that consistently apply this kind of thinking often outperform their competitors. Not because they're bigger, but because they're better informed. And if you're not sure where to start, that's okay. You can take the first step by exploring what a tailored, no-cost analysis might reveal about your business. Leveraging business analysis to identify financial risks and opportunities. Every business faces risk. The key isn't avoiding risk entirely. It's identifying and managing it before it becomes a crisis. Through business analysis, you can uncover hidden vulnerabilities in your cash flow, your operations, or your market positioning. This includes monitoring key indicators like profit margins, liquidity ratios, and receivables turnover. You can also benchmark your performance against industry standards to reveal areas for improvement or hidden strengths. But risk is only one side of the equation. Business analysis also uncovers new opportunities. It helps you spot underserved markets, reprice for value, and identify trends before they explode. The same tools that help you stay out of trouble also help you grow with confidence. Building a sustainable business through effective business analysis. Sustainability in business goes far beyond simply turning a profit. It's about consistency, adaptability, and building a vision that stands the test of time. In today's volatile economic climate, sustainability means being able to withstand uncertainty, pivot when necessary, and still keep moving forward. And business analysis is the tool that makes this possible. At its core, business analysis empowers you to truly understand what's happening inside your business. Not just what's working, but why it's working. And just as importantly, what isn't. It gives you the insight to improve day-to-day efficiency, while also supporting long-term planning and strategic growth. Let's talk efficiency. Time is money, and wasted time is often hidden in outdated processes, duplicated efforts, or poor communication. By analyzing workflows, you can eliminate inefficiencies and focus your team's energy where it matters most. Business analysis can help automate tasks that eat up hours each week, freeing up time for innovation, customer service, or just space to think and plan. Planning, too, becomes more intelligent. No more gut-feeling budgets or hopeful guesses about what next quarter will look like. With business analysis, you can base your financial planning on actual trends, historical data, and predictive models. This leads to smarter investments, stronger cash flow, and fewer unpleasant surprises. And when it comes to adaptability, business analysis keeps you informed, not just about your internal numbers, but about the world outside your business walls. You gain the ability to monitor market changes, track consumer behavior, and follow technological shifts that could open new doors or signal emerging threats. In short, you'll be ready to act instead of react. The businesses that thrive over decades, not just years, are the ones that build feedback into their strategy. They don't wait for problems to force change. They use analysis to evolve before they have to. This is where sustainable success lives, in anticipation, preparation, and ongoing refinement. If you're serious about creating a business that lasts, ask yourself, how often am I stepping back to evaluate my operations, my finances, and my strategy as a whole? How often am I using real data to guide real decisions? If the answer is not often enough, you're not alone. But the good news is, change can start today. Even a small shift, like looking at a free business analysis, can be the beginning of a more organized, resilient, and profitable future. You'll find a link in the description and the comments, if and when you're ready. No pressure, just potential. Because sustainability isn't a luxury anymore. It's a necessity. And business analysis is your compass for building it into every corner of your company. Taking the next steps toward business mastery. Mastering business analysis isn't about being perfect. It's about being curious, strategic, and committed to improvement. The businesses that win in today's market are the ones that use data to guide decisions, not guesswork. This journey is continuous. You'll refine your strategies, improve your processes, and with every improvement, you gain clarity and confidence. If you're ready to move forward, don't wait. One small action, like exploring a free business analysis, can uncover insights you didn't know you needed. There's a link in the description and comments to get started. No pressure, just clarity. Remember, growth follows organization, profit follows clarity, and long-term success follows strategy. Thanks for listening. Your next level starts now.